Hi everyone, my name is Natalie Stark.
And I'm Lena Keller.
And this is Quick Cookin' with Campus Pantry. We're gonna put on 3 different videos that demonstrate how to make quick pantry meals using ingredients found from Campus Pantry. This video will discuss some breakfast options where we'll make 2 different meals, one oatmeal with peaches and one with peanut butter and jelly. If you got your link from the Campus Pantry, there is a fill in the blank option on the back. Little activity where we'll answer the questions throughout this video and you can fill it out as we go. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first one that we're going to demonstrate is oatmeal with peaches in it. So oatmeal is really nice. You can put whatever you want in it, whatever sounds good. This one we're doing peaches, so we're just going to start with a half cup of oats. And then oatmeal, it's really nice because it's just 1 part oats to 2 parts milk or water. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1 cup of water. Awesome. Give this a little stir. Awesome. Next, we're just going to stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. All right, nice and done. It looks pretty good. I'm just going to leave it in there for a couple minutes because it's going to be pretty hot. So we're just going to close that back up. Next, we're going to get our peaches ready. So here I have a can of peaches from the pantry that I'm going to drain. All right, those look pretty good. We're going to use about half a cup of these in the oatmeal. So it should be cool enough to grab now. Let's see. Still be careful when you grab it out. But that looks pretty good. Next, I'm just going to get about half of these peaches in here from the can. You can slice them up however you want. Otherwise, you can just take a spoon and chop them up right there and mix them in. All right, so there's the finished product using only what we've had from Campus Pantry so far. You might at your house have some other items that you want to throw in there. I know for me, I really like cinnamon, so I'm just gonna grab some cinnamon. You might have some laying around in your spice cabinet. Just gonna top it off. Looks pretty good. Some other options you can throw in there are brown sugar, maple syrup. You can chop up some nuts and throw it on there. Yeah, really, however you want to enjoy it is great. Really make it your own, and it's a great way to start your day in the morning. So that's our peaches one. Next, we're going to show our peanut butter and jelly.
Hi everyone, I'm going to be demonstrating the peanut butter and jelly oatmeal. So we're going to do the same exact thing that we did with the peaches. We're going to get 1/2 cup of oatmeal. Go ahead and put it in your bowl and put 1 cup of water. So go ahead and just fill up that measuring cup. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little stir before it goes into the microwave. So make sure to stir it up good. And this will only take a couple of minutes here. We're going to throw it into the microwave for 2 minutes again. So go ahead and put it in, and 2 minutes. Perfect. Now our oatmeal is done. I'm just going to go ahead and grab it with oven mitts because it does get a little toasty in here. So as you can see, they're fully cooked. And we can go ahead and add our other ingredients. So like we mentioned, we're going to use peanut butter and jelly for this one, which is one of my favorites because I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So both of these can be found in the pantry, just regular creamy peanut butter and jam. So like the grocery list says that we provided for you, we're going to go ahead and do 1.5 tablespoons, which is something that you can just find in your silverware drawer. It's typically the bigger spoon. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to grab my other spoon to get this off. There's one. And however much you like. There's a half about. So that will get nice and melted since our oats are nice and warm. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put 1.5 tablespoons of jam. So this is strawberry, raspberry, but you can add grape, you can add strawberry. If you don't like jam, you can add honey or brown sugar. So there's 1 tablespoon of jam. And I'm just going to get a little bit more just to top it off. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all together. You'll find everything gets nice and melty because those oats are nice and hot. Once it's all mixed, you're ready to enjoy. And that's the peanut butter and jelly oatmeal breakfast.
Okay, here we have our finished product. This one is the peanut butter and jelly oats, and this is the peaches oats. Again, reminder, these are all ingredients that can be found at your campus pantry for WSU Spokane students. A great cheap way to get your day started with some awesome nutrients in here that we'll talk about next. All right, here we have our finished product with the peaches. Just a quick reminder on what we did. Again, everything can be found at the campus pantry. Measure out your oats, add in your water, microwave it for a couple minutes, throw in your peaches as a topping, and you're good to go. Really quick and easy and inexpensive way to get your day started with some really great breakfast foods. So in terms of nutrient content, for this serving, the oats provided about 140 calories, 23 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein, and 2.5 grams of fat. The peaches, half of a can, provided 90 calories, 21 grams of carbs, 0.7 grams of protein, and no fat. So as you can see, this is really nutrient dense breakfast option, high carb, low fat, really great way to get your day started using campus pantry items. Enjoy.
And here we have our finished product of the peanut butter and jelly oatmeal. Remember, the walkthrough of this is just adding the oats, adding the water, microwaving your oats, and then adding whatever toppings that you like. So we went ahead and did the nutrient content on this one as well. And the quick oats still have 140 calories, so the same as the peaches one. So 23 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein, and 2.5 grams of fat. The peanut butter added an extra 135 calories. So that's coming mostly from protein and fat. There's 11 grams of fat in 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter, and also adds 5 grams of protein and 4.5 grams of carbs. And then with just a little amount of strawberry jelly that we use, that was 75 calories, 20 grams of carbohydrates, and about 0.5 gram of protein and no fat. So the difference between the peanut butter and jelly and the peaches oatmeal breakfast is mostly in fat and protein content. So if you do want to add a little bit of extra fat, It's a great way or a great source from peanut butter, along with doubling your protein within just this one serving of peanut butter and jelly oats.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for watching our quick cooking with Campus Pantry breakfast option. Scan the next QR links to see our video demonstrations of the Campus Pantry lunch and Campus Pantry dinner options. We hope you enjoy your meal and have a great rest of your day after having our awesome Campus Pantry breakfast. Thanks.
Thank you.